Hello, what you're seeing there is an Arduino with 2 relays, 2 transistors, and a power supply and a cap and a resistor. And basically, the Arduino charges the cap and discharges the cap over the resistor through the relays. And that's all that's going on there. And there's sensor data that goes to an Arduino serial printout. And I'm using a program called CoolTerm that captures that serial printout and sends it as a text file, or in my case an ASC file. And if you see on the screen there, it says if this line is the only line you see, it is because there's no capacitor discharge data in the file. And it's very straightforward. If you run the program and you see that, it's because there's no data in it. And the reason there would be no data is because in the C program I wipe it out at the end of every time it runs. So with the apparatus running, you go open your CoolTerm program, and here it is. And I have it hooked up to the USB COM port, and you can see it updating. There's the data coming in. So I go connection, capture the text file, start. It has to be the same file as in my C program, so I go to capture, ASC. Yes, I want to overwrite it. So there, now you'll see it's capturing bytes, boof, right there. So data comes in, it's capturing it. If this thing would stay in focus. Anyways, so that's what's going on. So one cycle just ran. I go back over to the file, what's it called? The compiler, run my program, and lo and behold, the values have come in. And it basically does a discharge time over a known resistance to do the capacitance calcs. And in this case, after it does its thing, it's saying it's 23,333 microfarad. And right now I'm measuring across a 22,000 microfarad cap, and I checked the data sheet, and it can be up to plus 20% over that. So it's measuring well within its tolerance, and the program seems to be working. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I can replace that cap with experimental super-cap plates, and easily add some more math in here to get energy density calculations done. So that's it. The super-cap tester is at that point, and I'm looking forward to capturing some good experimental data when it comes to super-cap. So that's the next thing, making and experimenting with actual super-cap builds. So good times. Anyways, hope everyone's well, peace, and catch you on the flip side.